So today we're going to talk about receding hairline, what to do about it, okay? Like one day you're like, what? You're looking in the mirror going, what is happening to my hair? I'm losing my hair. Two reasons. One is that you have higher levels of something called 5-alpha reductase. This is an enzyme. This enzyme converts testosterone into a more powerful form of testosterone called DHT, and this can definitely burn out the hair follicles. And also on top as well. Okay. Second reason is higher androgens that aren't necessarily caused by this increase in this enzyme, but your androgens are just higher. Okay. Androgens are male hormones, but females have androgens, but not in the quantities that males have. If a female has too much androgen, she's going to get facial hair, acne, because of the enlargement of the sebaceous gland or the oil gland. Enlarged rings. What's that going to do? It's going to drop the voice, a deeper voice. Axillary hair, armpit hair. In a female, this is called polycystic ovarian syndrome or disorder, okay? So how do we reduce 5-alpha reductase, this enzyme? What you do is you take a natural 5-alpha reductase inhibitor. Zinc is at the top of the list. And if you think about it, zinc is also really important in your immune system, okay? So if you have alopecia, for example, which is an autoimmune condition, this would be very, very important, in which case you would want to also add vitamin D in large quantities. Okay, number 2, omega-3 fatty acids. Number 3, vitamin B2. All 3 of these can inhibit this enzyme and lessen the amount of DHT being produced. All right, next one, androgens. How do we normalize androgens in a female? As in, how do we improve polycystic ovarian syndrome? Well, guess what? One of the biggest causes to this is high levels of insulin, okay? High levels of insulin, which cause insulin resistance, end up causing too many androgens. So you guessed it, get on keto and intermittent fasting. But these 2 actions will help greatly normalize insulin, which will then help normalize androgens. And if you're a guy and you have too much androgen, especially in the form of DHT, okay, do these right here, as well as these right here. All right, see you in the next video. So if you want to get notified with all my content, click the notification bell next to subscribed.